Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm going to share with you my Dr.J9 electrolyte drink. This is something that I shared and talked about in my show called The Secrets of How to Do Intermittent Fasting. This is a lifesaver when you're trying to stay with your fasting routine. You don't want to break that fast, but you've got to get through it. And by doing this drink with making sure that you're maintaining your electrolytes, it's a great way to get through that fasting phase. So let's get right to it. So first we're going to start with some high quality water. I prefer reverse osmosis water, which is great, or a spring water. You want to make sure that it's fluoride free. That's very important. So I'm going to put that into my glass. And the magnesium, being an important electrolyte, really helps to get you through that fasting phase so you're not getting headaches, you're not feeling extra hungry, and you can see that it completely disappears into the drink. Now I'm also adding in some cream of tartar, and this has potassium. So potassium, again, an important electrolyte, especially when you are fasting. So just a pinch of that, adding that in, and trust me, you won't even taste it. And also a bit of salt. So some iodized salt is great. This helps with your thyroid as well. And I like a Celtic sea salt. So the salt is really helpful, especially if you're also exercising. But again, it helps to maintain your electrolyte balance, especially when you're not eating. And the last ingredient is a sugar-free sweetener. Now this one is stevia. So you want to watch that you're not using the artificial sweeteners. This contains stevia. This is a black cherry flavor. Just a couple of squirts of that. And now I'm going to mix this all up. So this is much like the conventional sports drinks that you purchase. I give this to my kids, they bring to their basketball games, and it's fantastic because it doesn't have the sugar, it doesn't have the artificial sweeteners or coloring as well. You've made it at home, it will help to replace those electrolytes, and it's completely delicious. So enjoy. So I can't wait to hear how much you love this electrolyte drink. Be sure to let me know in the comments below and share this video with friends so that they too can make this recipe at home and to help them with their intermittent fasting journey. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, especially if you're new here. Click that bell to turn on your notifications. And remember to always take care of your good health and do it naturally.